Hello friends of How to Grow, it is Christmas time, and in this video I will show you a sustainable option for a Christmas tree. Let's do this. Every year in January along London roads I see many trees ready to get blended and become chipboard. My proposal is to have a Christmas tree that you can have in your house potted and decorated during Christmas. And then after Christmas, you can leave it indoor if you wish, or you can put it outside. You can use it again and again, year after year, forever. Okay, let's have a look at my Norfolk tree. So I had this one for a couple of years, and inside the room, inside the house, does very well because it really likes humidity and doesn't need to be watered too often. Just, I will say in winter, every 3 days, while in summer, yes, every 2 days maybe. Oh, well, depending from how hot it is outside. You can water it more or less. What else can I say about this tree? This tree is originally from the Norfolk Highlands. If I'm not wrong, they are in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. Now, this specific one was bought on a website called Patch Plant, but you can buy it from other resellers. Anyways, I will leave the link from which this Norfolk tree was purchased in the description. So if you want, you can buy this one. And now let's dress this baby up for Christmas. I really hope that you like this idea and you will also build a Christmas tree on a potted tree. In this way it will be much better for the planet if we stop killing all those trees. As always, if you want to stay updated with all the other videos of How to Grow, subscribe to the channel by clicking on the nice orange icon here in the corner. See you soon.